Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, divided by its rivers, united by its people. From the towering bridges that connect its neighborhoods to the skyscrapers that shape its skyline, Pittsburgh stands as a testament to the indomitable human spirit. The city of steel and resilience, where the echoes of industry harmonize with the spirit of its people. Nestled between three rivers, this metropolis has forged its identity with hard work and unwavering determination. In the heart of the Steel City, you'll find a community bonded by a common thread, perseverance. Weathering economic shifts and embracing transformation. Here, the pulse of innovation beats alongside the thud of hardworking hands. Welcome to Pittsburgh, where the echoes of the past harmonize with the vibrancy of the present, creating a city that stands tall as a testament to the enduring human spirit.